I was just playing around with my GoPro and I realised something. I've got the media mode on here, and look, I got an external power pack and plugged it in the back of the media mode, and it's not focusing very well. It's actually charging. It was doing about 30%, and within minutes it's up to 50 odd percent. So, and I'm just thinking, you know, if you've got long enough cable, you could pop that in your pocket, your top pocket, or even your jeans pocket, and just leave it in permanently. You could get like a really big one that would last for hours, and then you never have to worry about your GoPro battery running out again. But I think that's only available with the media mode in here. So it means that would be plugged in, and then my microphone plugged into the bottom or the top one, whatever it is for the helmet. But yeah, quite clever. So there you go, a wee tip if you've got the GoPro with the media mode, just plug an external power pack in with a long cable and get hours of pleasure.